Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy Boost V2 in the light colorway, so let's get to it. So here's the box, and you already know, we need our Supreme knife, and we'll get straight into it. Alright, so you already know. On top of the box, we have the 350. That's basically for every Yeezy that you get. Not 350, but the number will always be on top. Alright, and of course you have Boost on the side. Opposite side is blank. And then on the other side of the sizing, it is Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. And on the front, we have Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas as well, but now with your sizing. This is a size 9.5 because it is my foot size. And the colors are light, light, light. So it's triple light. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what it looked like. Okay. I thought they'd be a little brighter. Maybe because of the change. It says color change due to ultraviolet reactiveness. Oh, wow. We're gonna have to check that out. Yeah, we're gonna have to check that out. Here's your pair. And these do not come with an extra set of laces just because you already have your aglets, not like that one lace that they put on some of the models. I don't know why they do that, but you guys already know that I love having this pull tab on the back of the shoe. I feel like it's just really helpful and convenient when you least know it. But of course, all of the uppers is prime knit, and then you have your midsole, and then you have your sole with some of the boost right here. And on the inside it says Adidas Yeezy. Of course, you're gonna have Boost. And then that's pretty much it. The only new thing that I didn't know was that it says it's color change due to ultraviolet reactiveness. At the moment, I don't know how they look like or how they will look like in the sun. But I'll see if I can try to get a color changing in the sun. Okay, so I actually went to go test it out, and the thing that changes is the strip on the side of the shoe. So this whole strip on the side turns like an orange color in the sun, but it goes away immediately after going in like shade or something, or like going inside indoors. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So it doesn't last long, so it'll just change while you're in the sun constantly. Once you're in the shade, it's gone. So that's what the ultraviolet rays do to the shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me get you guys the closer shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these Yeezys. Let me know if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. But other than that, I have the item for the giveaway, and it's going to be the Supreme Jet Tee from the fall and winter 2020 year or season, and it's a size medium. So whoever wants it, subscribe. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.